Good morning, Bob, Larry, Sue, and everyone that could make it. All of your faces are familiar to me. I think every one of us in this room has worked for Singer Slicers for the past 17 years. And it has certainly been my pleasure to serve as your marketing manager, at least for the last 10. I've certainly seen many ups and downs in the market, and Singer Slicers has always managed to remain number one somehow. In order to remain number one worldwide, we need to keep innovating. Research and development is working consistently along with members of my department in order to create and to innovate new products and increase our designs. It is very important as the national and worldwide leader in meat slicing products that we continue to move forward with our development. And that is why I'm here today to introduce to you the new rollout for our new and improved meat slicing machine. This new and improved meat slicing machine will be able to put a piece of cellophane in between each sliced cold cut. So as the person slices the meat, a piece of cellophane will drop. We expect this to increase our profits by at least a 10% margin per quarter. We will be selling the cellophane wrappers separately. It will be in addition to the machine purchase. We are also rolling out a new concept in meat slicing machines, and that's going to be the lease to buy option. All of this is rolled out in the proposal that I sent you, but I just want to bring it up now. This way, when we have our question and answer period, we can talk about that a little bit more. Unfortunately, we've had to increase pricing by 2%. That's why we've decided to create this leasing option. And we know that our competitors will follow suit with their own leasing, lease to buy program. That's why we've created one of the most progressive lease to buy programs. Our program will not feature a down payment. We know that our competitors are planning to roll out a program that will feature a 15% down payment, which is a minimum investment of $10,000 for the large industrial sized machine and an investment for a consumer of $50 for the smaller individual household machine, which has a retail price of $250. So for a very small investment of $50, the individual consumer will be able to get the machine delivered to their home. And we're covering the cost of the shipment as part of our Jubilee celebration. The reason that marketing and research and development have teamed up this way is because we are down 10%. Sales of the current meat slicing machine have been steadily down for 2 quarters. This is an immediate and urgent change that I must bring to your attention now. I have been conducting research and looking into the reasons why, and consumer groups are basically looking for more innovation and more technology. That's number one. The other reason, the most common reason that people have answered our surveys, we've done telephone surveys and written surveys, and over the phone telemarketers have culled their research, and they're telling us that people want more hygiene type of products. They're looking for cleanliness. And this seems to be a huge trend now throughout all industries. Right now, our product does not really take into account any kind of hygiene at all, or it does not really provide the consumer or our business customers with ways to pick up those cold cuts and put them onto sandwiches once they are sliced. So we're beginning to sort of move out of this middle of nowhere phase and basically start to sort of think about a total package in sales, and that just goes beyond the actual point of sale purchase itself, and start to think about the different uses for these products. For many years since we have been number one and sales had continued to remain strong for this product as well as other major flagship products, we've been really not so focused on what our competition has been doing. However, with the recent changes in the dollar and stressed out markets worldwide, we've begun to move out of our sort of tunnel vision focus and start to think globally now. So we have people coming in now, consultants are coming in, and they helped us develop the new machine. And they are basically helping us to figure out other uses for this machine in terms of what our international customers will be looking for. And that's also part of what the focus groups want. Now, Bob, you and I discussed that in the office when I got the funding for the focus groups, and I know that was very important to you. So we have integrated the international perspective within our focus groups. Our competitors have always had an international mindset because of the strength of the American economy in years past, of course, and the domination of the English-speaking world. We had traditionally seen corporations with a focus on international flair. Well, now we have reached the point where we need to get in the game or risk being left behind. And this all is part of my main message to you today. This is why I'm asking you to fund our new project. Because right now, at this point in time, sales are down of the machine, and we risk losing our place as #1 industry leader and manufacturer of meat slicing machines worldwide. This new slicing machine is the very thing that we need in order to keep us on top. Projected sales of this machine should actually propel us forward and make up for the losses that we've sustained over this quarter and beyond. Some people in the newspapers and Wall Street analysts are already starting to say that we are slipping. We're not going to be #1 anymore. The new meat slicing machine represents the opportunity for us to remain on top. That's why I'm asking you for your support. It's very important that we move forward with this new development. And I want to stress that the machine is ready to go. We can roll the machine out in 2 weeks, and mass production will begin as soon as the funding comes in. We want to distribute worldwide. Our suppliers and distributors are standing by, just waiting for me to give them the okay. So what I need from you, basically, is a very slow yes, essentially. Now remember, my door is always open to you. You can feel free to come in and talk with me about this at any time. You have my proposal, and we can discuss aspects of that at any time. I want to thank you for your attention today and your patience in listening to me ramble on. But it's been my pleasure to serve at Singer Slicers for the past 17 years, and I have enjoyed being your marketing manager for the past 10 years. And in that post, I'm responsible for watching the trends and monitoring where I feel the market is going. and the market is headed in this direction. Thank you for your time.